Alright, what's going on, everybody? We got a next mod. We got a little brake job we're going to do on the 2021 Dodge Durango Tow and Go. Got some rotors, dimpled and slotted, and they have like a zinc covering over them. We'll unbox them real quick here, and then we'll show what they look like. Why are we not focusing? Alright, so the reason I went with the brake performance ones are they have an excellent warranty. They're about the only ones that have a brake, rotor, and ceramic pad kit for the 2021 Durango SRT, by the way. Even though it's a tow and go, it is the SRT. Brakes you have to order. And I got the, like I mentioned already, I got, wow, those are heavy. Now you wonder, why did I get black? Well, guess what? They're not black. This coating will come off. Once you brake a couple times, this black coating will come off, and it's just a bright silver like all the other rotors. But what stays is the black dimples and the slotted and dimples stay black. And then the rest of the pad becomes a shiny silver color. So you can see it, so the slots and the dimples are black, and they'll stand out against the silver back. And it looks real sharp. So these are the fronts. And I got ceramic pads that go on as well. So we'll be installing these here in the next week or two when it gets a little bit warmer. So again, brake performance, excellent price. They had 40% off on last weekend. Great warranty, great reviews online and on YouTube from other people. So we're going to give it a shot, and made here in the United States. So it's a good American product. So again, can't go wrong with the old brake performance rotors, and it's a kit for the front and back. So I'm doing the front end and backs, and all the video of the installation. If you like it, thumbs up. Any comments, put them in the comments. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe, and we'll keep going from there. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later.